This is a haunted house, but it's about ready to get worse. I think I'm gonna show you. I mean, it creeped me out, okay? I'm gonna be honest with you. Come on in.
Is this the,
Come on in. We're here in Vancleave, Mississippi, and in today's video, we're gonna talk about should I buy it or should I walk away from it? And the point of this video is to talk about, is this a good property to buy, reasons for good property, and what you're gonna learn in this video is how you can benefit from all the things I'm gonna talk about, like the cost of land, the cost of repair, the potential rent, and all of these things. If you're brand new to the channel and you're looking to get into real estate, I'm here with my property manager and good buddy, Lane Harpin. He's the king of real estate down here on the southern Gulf Coast of Mississippi. He's a Patriots fan. He used to be from...
That's right, Massachusetts.
Massachusetts, go Chiefs, right? Anyways, first thing, I just walked this property. We just drove over here, and so you can kind of tell where I'm at. We are in a town called Vancleave, Mississippi. But I can tell you, this house, I don't even know what this is. We're gonna go figure out what this is. Elaine, why don't you walk around this house with me? Does this look like a double wide, bro?
Yeah, I don't know, but it's got that builder's creep thing going for it. Addition
it's
after
like
addition.
A skateboard ramp up on the top there, dude.
Yeah, it's got lots of different elevations and shapes and...
Wait till you see what I'm about ready to show you on the inside. It creeped me the hell out, but this thing creeped me out, okay? We're gonna walk in this room and you're gonna know what I'm talking about.
It's on a slab, so that's a good sign. That could have been a garage though, at one time.
Could have been a garage, okay.
Because we got crawl space over here.
Would that be indicative of a mobile home?
No, it doesn't look like it, because it's, unless that section was an addition, which is entirely possible.
Well, that definitely looks like an addition.
Yeah, this side may have come out as an addition, but you got a slab there. It's pretty rough pour too, so it looks like they did it at night.
Is that siding or that fascia something you usually see on a mobile home?
No. Okay.
That's good stuff. What about that deck? What do you think about that deck?
Looks like it needs a little help.
This is like the type of place where people bury their kids in the backyard. And I mean, am I right, Elaine?
Oh, there's a nice, tree growing out of your deck.
This is the best selling point of it right here.
Well, you got a little pond back there, so obviously this used to be
let's
cleared.
Go take a look at this.
Yeah, if this was mowed back, get the bush hogger out. You got crawfish out here. I see
Comment
the mounds.
below if you know what a bush hog is, and comment if you don't know what a bush hog is, because when I first got started in real estate, they were like asking questions on the REO, like, are you gonna have a bush hog? I'm like, what the hell is that? A bush hog is Southern speak for a lawnmower.
Well, big ass lawnmower, tractor with a big blade that it drags behind it. Okay, so you got a little deck to an island. Dude, we can market it as, your private island in Vancleave. Dude, walk on the
middle. What kind of creatures they got in here?
Just little man-eaters.
All right, so here's the other thing is determining your cost, right? Your cost of construction. And then I think these guys are listed for like 150,000 and we offered them 60 grand and we're in contract for like $75,000 right now. This is a 1031 exchange, so I got to look at my tax implications, but I did overload my 1031. Now we're trying to make a determination, should we buy it? Let's go look at the inside and see what the creepy house looks like. When the tarp is so old that it's fallen off the roof,
and it's buried and overgrown.
And it's buried and overgrown, you might need to look for another investment.
So you do have a little bit of a garage here.
So yeah, you got a garage.
Burn pit in the front yard, that's always...
Yo, big time selling feature, burn pit in the front yard. No garbage bill, you just throw it out front.
This looks like a mobile home.
Does it feel like one too, right? It's like they put a mobile home and attached it, right?
They grafted stuff onto it. You know what I would have said.
Buy it?
If you would have sent me out here as the advanced crew to get you an impression.
You would have said, friggin' lock this bad boy up.
I would have said no.
He would have told me to buy this, dude.
I would not.
Completely commission motivated.
Yeah. It doesn't have a whole lot of...
sex appeal?
Yeah, then there's not a straight board or floor in here. Yeah, this kind of gives you the vibe of a mobile home, but it's probably not.
It's like a grafted mobile home. So we're in the master. This house is confusing as crap too, right? But I love where they put their toilet. Honey, can you hand me some champagne out of the hot tub? I gotta take a deuce.
Hand me the bar of soap. Can't get up right now.
We got the murals right here. I think I'm gonna show you. You're gonna laugh. I mean, it creeped me out, okay? I'm gonna be honest with you. What is going on with this?
That's country kitchen, man.
These are strainers, and they picked 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 strainers, and then they made them into
light fixtures.
Light fixtures.
They are on point. Country kitchen.
Country kitchen. All right, so we got 19 different floor colors and patterns. I mean, this is a haunted house, but it's about ready to get worse.
Yeah, this is like the nicest part of the house right here.
Right here. What's up with these freaking murals?
And this one's crooked. Yeah, it's not even straight.
Come on in.
Is this the
Come on in.
the special? Oh,
It scared the crap out of you too, dude. I'm like, is this thing alive? Is this a real cat, dude?
I was waiting for the thing to go rabbit on us. It's like Pet Cemetery, yeah.
Same thing that happened to me. I was like, somebody set that up perfectly. Would that be better, like, closer?
Yeah, so like, as soon as you walk in, you almost trip over it.
Okay, let's do that. Whoever did that, that was a good one. Here's the determination. I'm passing on this house. If you agree, let me know. If you disagree, let me know. Subscribe, share this video with a friend. But here's the bottom line is, right? I don't even know what you're looking at for rehab. I'm gonna say $100,000. The house ain't worth $170,000 once you put it back together. I can't flip it. I don't know what the rent's gonna be out here. I don't even care. This might even be their real cat, dude. Is that a real cat? I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if they taxidermied their cat out here. There's like 16 elevations in the house. It's just cobbled together.
What were they thinking?
This is like the house of horrors. And let me tell you something. One of my students, Chase, you know who you are. You know, he's like, Troy calls me. He's like, Troy, man, what do I do? What do I do? This house is like, it's messed up. I'm supposed to close today. I'm like, did you look at it before you like? He's like, no. Always look at your freaking properties, right? You only got a little bit of money, unless you have a really trusted person. This one, I'm like, well, it's on 11 acres. You know, even if I have to lose my earnest money, which I'm not sure where we're at with on that, but there's just so much nonsense. Look at this thing.
I know, it's an electrical box.
I mean, everything in this house spells run the hell away, right? Are you brand new to investing in real estate? If you are,
this is a good example of, yeah, run.
This is one that you don't want to deal with, right? Just get out of this one. If you want expert investing advice, we have a free Facebook group, Millionaire Mentorship Real Estate Investing. You can just go online, go to the Facebook groups. If you're looking to get started investing in real estate, let me tell you, don't buy something like this. I mean, they overdid everything. I swear to God, they grafted mobile homes together. Like, we're walking on this, it feels like a trampoline, almost. So it feels like it's raised up. Okay.
There's your kitchen sink or bathroom wet bar.
Come over here, dude. Who the hell puts a freaking...
Yeah, hose bib.
A hose bib in your
living room.
I mean, what did they have in here before?
But you're right, they spent a lot of money. All the windows and all the fans and all the...
Yeah. Would you buy this house if you're me? Let's say it cost me $100,000. The acreage alone, we could argue is worth 10,000 acre, maybe 5,000 acre out here. 5,000 an acre, you got 10 acres, that's 50,000 bucks. The house is only 70 grand. Maybe Elaine could rent this one as is. No? All right, what do you think this rehab's gonna cost, Elaine?
I just, you know, yeah, $100,000, and then you got $100,000 worth of materials in a house worth not a whole lot more.
All right, let's get out of here, man. Let's go say goodbye to our cat. I'll let you go out first, and I'll lock it up. And this is one thing you want to take away from you. This is one of the first mistakes I made in real estate, and let this sink in. Listen up right now. This is the biggest mistake I ever made in real estate, and I'll never forget it. I made it in 2005. What is the point of earnest money? The point of earnest money is so that you are obligated to perform on a property. So sometimes when your earnest money goes hard, that means that you've lost it. You've now forfeited it to the seller. So when I bought a property in 2006, I had $5,000 earnest money that I was gonna lose, and I was scared of losing my earnest money. So I bought a $310,000 house that ended up losing me a bunch of money. If I lose earnest money to not make a bad decision, that's okay. If I lose $1,000 to not lose 200,000, that's okay. Always minimize your earnest money. Never be afraid to walk away from your earnest money, and always walk your properties, right? You don't want to be in this hole of a neighborhood with a grafted house that someone put together that looks like a horror show with a burn pit. I mean, look at I don't know what this is, like an amusement park of a house. Let's go check this out. This is another thing that you need to know when you're investing in real estate. And comment below, have you bought your first house yet? You bought your second house? Where are you at in your real estate journey? You got a tank and a pump here. That could be good. These things, if you got to replace them, what do they cost? Elaine, what do you think this is going to cost? If you had to replace this whole thing.
You know, $500, $700.
Okay, if you had to do a whole new well.
Oh, the well, $7 a linear foot.
$7 linear foot. Where's the water table?
It's like 250 to 300, 400 feet down.
So it could be anywhere from $1,400 plus material. That stuff is like $500-600.
Right.
Well, depends on where you're at. You know what a well costs in Colorado? $50,000. You know what a well costs in Kansas City? $15,000. Bottom line is, wells are fantastic. They're great. I love the rentals with wells. I love houses with wells. I wanted a well on my own personal property. But it's definitely something you need to look into when you're investing in real estate, because a lot of these guys will come and strip out these wells on these vacant properties, and that can cost you anywhere from, like Elaine said, $500 $1,000 if they didn't drop it in there, but normally they'll just cut them. They'll drop the points down into the bottom of the well. They'll cut the tank out for whatever reason, $5 in copper or scrap metal. Look at this ugly ass house. We ain't buying it. And you shouldn't buy it either. If you're investing in real estate and you want to get started, you don't want to make mistakes, make sure you follow me, make sure you subscribe, make sure you share this video with somebody else, and make sure you get started by actually educating yourself about real estate. We have a free Facebook group, Millionaire Mentorship Real Estate Investment Group. If you want to book a call with us, we do a free strategy call where we teach you how to invest online through Zoom calls. We walk you through the deals. I hold your hand. I've helped hundreds of people learn how to invest in real estate. I've helped the guy right behind you learn how to invest in real estate. Would you agree with that, Elaine? Right? Would you agree?
Absolutely, absolutely.
I know what the hell I'm doing. I'm not good at golf.
Not a lot better at real estate.
I'm a lot better at real estate. Get started investing in real estate and check you on the next one. Peace!